now presenting Oprah Winfrey. It's the Oprah. Yeah.
My name's Oprah Winfrey, and you're on the Oprah Winfrey Show. This show is limited edition today, so we're in the forest. Me and my cats are here, and we're gonna try and look for the lost people, in the forest. So I hope we find a lot.
Go over here. Let's see, we found our first Cholula. Oh my gosh, Cholula, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here? I'm not Cholula. Okay, yeah, maybe I am. Don't get away. Yeah.
Wait, Cholula.
No, don't talk to me. I'm not Cholula.
Cholula, come back here.
No, Cholula, I'm not Cholula.
Oh wait. What are you doing here?
This is my house.
Can we go to your house?
Go to my house. These cups.
Okay.
I live in a cave. Would you like a tomato?
No, but
Berries.
Tomato. Right.
Would you like some salad?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Good. What are you doing here?
We're trying to look for people in the forest to save them.
Leave my family alone.
Where's your family?
Don't worry about it.
Why would I mess with your family? I mean.
Get out of
Okay, Oprah. Cholula, come on. Cholula.
No business.
Okay.
Get